This is a 95th anniversary Philco special edition radio that's still in the original box, never opened. And this particular model came out in 1987, and amazingly it has never been opened. So I'm going to open it now for the first time. Sorry for my terrible camera skills here. As you can see, it's still in the original packaging, pristine shape. So I'll take it out and we'll set it up and see if it plays. So I've taken the radio out of the box, and the first thing I noticed was the tuning knob was slipping and it wasn't turning the dial. And this is very common with these replica radios, because there's a drum in here for the dial, and there's a little rubber roller that you know, turns the inside of the drum, and that's what tunes the radio. And this rubber breaks down over the years, and this radio sat in the box for 40 years, so this rubber was very you know, sticky, and it had broken down. So I actually changed out that roller for a piece of rubber, and now the dial turns perfect, doesn't slip, very easy to turn, and very precise when you turn it. So you can tune the radio now no problem after that's changed out. While I had the radio apart, I changed the grill cloth, because I hated this piece of original grill cloth that came with it. To me, it looks very cheap. It looks like something you would see on a cheap guitar amp, like a budget guitar amp. It doesn't suit the radio, and in fact, I think it takes away from it. So I just switched it out for a piece of more authentic looking grill cloth, and I think it actually turned out good. It looks a lot better. These radios were nowhere near high end or, you know, high quality. They were just manufactured, you know, more of novelty pieces. So let's switch it on and see what it's like. That's 800 AM there now. Picking up the station, which is about 60 miles away from me here now. So let's try FM.
Coast 1011.
Some deals are too good to be real.
Bien, mais tu dois trouver un 2.
Let's go down to the water.
Try the $10 explosion ticket with 5,000. $58,000.
Opens up.
No name pizza. 30.
today.
Well, the sailors out on working, and for
So, all in all, the radio receives signals pretty good. I don't think these radios get a fair shake sometimes. They're not actually that bad. I mean, they're made in Hong Kong. These were extremely popular in the 80s, early 90s. This one here, the date code, March of 87. This one was made, and like I say, it sat in the box. I only took it out today. So this radio sat in the box, unused, since then. Still works fine. Like I say, I just had to make the tuning dial repair.
I'm Ethan Hibbs.
And now it works perfect.
For Dalton's Home
So,
Hardware Building Center, Cape Royal.
and it's a nice looking radio. If you're looking for the Philco Cathedral look and you can't afford the cost of an original, these originals now are, I've seen fully restored ones go for over $1,000, and you can get a used one, or sorry, a unrestored one that you could get for $500 or $600, but you still have to invest almost that again to get it up to playing condition and make it safe to use. I actually have one. I'll be posting it later. It's under restoration right now. So this is the 95th anniversary special edition Philco radio.